Hey everyone, it's Your Name with Kalyan Digital, and let's talk about getting your website seen. I'm not talking about just any traffic, I'm talking about the right kind of traffic. You know, the people who are actually interested in what you have to offer. That's where on-page optimization comes in. Think of it like this. You could have the most amazing product or service in the world, but if nobody can find it online, what's the point? On-page optimization is all about making your website irresistible to search engines like Google, so you can rank higher in search results and attract more qualified visitors. And the best part? These are strategies you can implement today to start seeing real results. So are you ready to unlock your website's true potential? Look, you can't just guess what people are searching for. You need data. That's where keyword research comes in. It's about understanding the language your target audience uses when looking for products or services like yours. Think of it as getting inside their heads. What words are they typing into that search bar? Once you know what those keywords are, you can strategically incorporate them throughout your website's content. We're talking page titles, headings, descriptions, even the images you use. But it's not just about stuffing keywords in there, it's about using them naturally to create content that is both informative and engaging for your audience. Remember, we're trying to attract humans, not robots. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal court when it comes to SEO. But here's the thing, it can't just be any old content, it has to be good, like really good. Think unique, informative, valuable content that keeps your audience hooked, answer their questions, solve their problems, and give them a reason to stick around. And don't forget to make it engaging. Use visuals, break up your text, and keep things interesting. Trust me, Google knows the difference between thin, uninspired content and the kind that makes people want to hit that share button. Imagine searching for something online and seeing a bunch of search results with vague or irrelevant titles. You'd probably click away, right? That's why your page titles are so crucial. They're like the headlines of your website, and they need to grab attention and accurately reflect what your page is about. Keep them concise, descriptive, and make sure to include your target keyword naturally. Oh, and don't forget to make them compelling. You want people to be excited to click through and read more. Chapter 4. I know it seems small, but trust me, even your image file names matter for SEO. Think about it from Google's perspective. They can't see images the way we do, so they rely on file names and alt text to understand what's going on. Instead of generic names like image123.jpg, use descriptive, keyword-rich file names that accurately describe the image. This not only helps with SEO but also makes your content more accessible to users with visual impairments who might be using screen readers. It's a win-win. Chapter 5. Have you ever landed on a website with a confusing or cluttered navigation menu? It's frustrating, right? You don't know where to go or how to find what you're looking for. Don't let that be your website. A clear, intuitive navigation menu is essential for both user experience and SEO. It helps visitors easily find the information they need and shows Google how your website is structured. Keep it simple, organized, and make sure it's consistent across all pages. Let's face it, we're living in a mobile-first world. People are browsing the internet on their phones and tablets more than ever before. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out on a huge chunk of traffic and potential customers. Responsive design ensures that your website looks great and functions flawlessly on any device, whether it's a desktop computer, a smartphone, or anything in between. Trust me, Google has taken notice, and they prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their search results. Think of an XML sitemap as a roadmap for search engines. It basically tells Google and other search engines what pages are on your website, how they're connected, and how often they're updated. Submitting an XML sitemap makes it much easier for search engines to crawl and index your website, which means your pages are more likely to show up in search results. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your SEO performance. If you're a local business, listen up. Claiming and optimizing your Google My Business GMB listing is non-negotiable. It's like having a digital storefront that shows up in local search results, Google Maps, and even voice searches. Make sure your business information is accurate, complete, and up to date. Add photos, respond to reviews, and use Google My Business posts to share updates and promotions. It's a powerful way to attract local customers and boost your online visibility. So there you have it. 8 powerful on-page optimization techniques that can transform your website's SEO and drive more traffic your way. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistent action to see real results. But by implementing these strategies and focusing on creating valuable content for your audience, you'll be well on your way to ranking higher, attracting more visitors, and achieving your online goals. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and never stop optimizing. And if you want to dive even deeper into the world of SEO, make sure to subscribe to the Kalyan Digital channel for more actionable tips, strategies, and insights.